Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites, 2 and gates and a stable power source. Connect one input of each gate to the power rail and the other inputs to your control lines so signals can be combined. Once done, set the initial signal levels, low equals OFF, high equals on, and label inputs 0 and 1 for clarity. Now feed a known test pattern through the first gate to confirm it outputs only when both inputs are high. This starts the chain reaction you need. You now focus on chaining the logic cleanly. Route the first gate S output into the second gate S input and secure the connection. Shielding avoids stray interference. Then add controlled delays, about 0.5 to 1 second, to prevent race conditions when signals change rapidly. Make sure to monitor outputs with LEDs or status readouts so you can see in real time whether both gates assert simultaneously. If you detect flicker or false positives, tighten timing. You finish by validating the complete setup with exhaustive input patterns. The output should be on only when both inputs are high. If the behavior is wrong, start troubleshooting methodically. First, inspect wiring and connectors for loose contacts, then swap gates one at a time to identify a defective unit. Also make sure inputs never float. Add pull-down resistors to stabilize them. If intermittent triggers persist, tighten delay timing and retest until the behavior is consistent and repeatable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.